Let's go over how to use HueLight's Whole-Body PBM Wing Panel. The wing panel has wheels, so you can easily move it to your desired spot. Its vertical lift lets you adjust the height for each user. The panel also rotates up to 180 degrees left and right, allowing you to position it at the best angle for any posture or treatment area. Start by placing the device on a flat, well-ventilated surface. Once in place, lock the red caster wheels to fix the base. Plug the emergency stop switch into the port, located on the back of the lift. Then plug the wired remote into the controller's connector and twist to secure it firmly. Make sure the power cable is connected to a grounded 220V outlet. Once connected, turn on the main power switch at the back of the unit. Before use, cleanse your face and body thoroughly. Remove all makeup, sunscreen, or lotion that may block light absorption. Now have the user lie down comfortably. Use the up-down buttons on the controller or remote to gently adjust the panel height. Important safety note: do not lower the panel too far, as it may touch the user and cause injury. To prepare for such cases, this device includes a wired emergency stop button, and there's also a fixed one on the side of the control box. In an emergency, press the stop button to halt the device. Then twist the button to release the lock, and raise the lift slowly using the remote. Let's now operate the panel. Press the power button to turn the device on. Next, press the time button to set your session duration, up to 60 minutes. Press the frequency button to choose your preferred Nogier frequency. This helps optimize the treatment based on your specific needs. When all settings are done, press Start to begin the session. You can control the device from both the main panel and the remote for convenience. If you want to rotate the panel, make sure the lift is raised to its highest position. Do not force the panel to rotate when lowered. This may cause damage or deformation. After each use, be sure to clean the device. Use a soft cloth and a small amount of neutral detergent to wipe the transparent panel and outer surface. Also, clean the exhaust fan regularly to maintain proper airflow. Do not operate the lift continuously for more than 15 minutes. This prevents the motor from overheating. If you have any questions during use, please contact our customer service anytime.